While the other fruits are just seasonal, banana comes year-long with a great taste. Namaste everyone, I am Dr. Aparna and you all are welcome to my channel. Loaded with potassium, a perfect pre-workout snack. Banana is the chief ingredient of our today's recipe. Yes friends, it's banana smoothie. It's not just an excellent breakfast or midday snack, but it's also rich in potassium, calcium, omega-3 and antioxidants. So make with us this 2 minutes quick recipe, banana smoothie. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Share your views and experience in the comment section below and don't forget to press bell icon for the latest video update. Keep watching and stay fit.